All right, today, 5th and 6th graders, happy Monday. We are going to go over the last part of our theme park math, which is all geometry stuff. And we are going to identify some important geometry terms, which we haven't done a lot of this time at home. So just as a little reminder, I have this little poster. I'm going to put this on Google, your Google Classroom. So you guys all have access to that. We don't use it a lot, except for posting videos that are the same videos on the YouTube channel. But I'll put this up just in case you need a little reminder, all right? So remember that we can name polygons. A polygon is a closed shape. It has straight sides. And then they've kind of grouped them into triangle, quadrilateral, and then more relatives, which is a lot of different relatives, but you know. We should be pretty familiar with our triangle and quadrilateral families. The triangle family, you'll see here, is also listed here as the A, equilateral triangle, B is the right triangle, C, the scalene triangle, and D, the isosceles triangle. All right, we're going to be working with these next one, the quadrilaterals, a lot today, and some more relatives. So the quadrilaterals, again, are here. These are these 5, not the H, but E, F, G, I, and J are all parallelograms. Parallelograms meaning there's 2 sets of parallel sides. And as a reminder, parallel railroad tracks. Okay, perpendicular, parallel, perpendicular, parallel. All right, so parallelogram has 2 sets of parallel sides. So here we have rectangles. Okay, remember a square is a rectangle. Okay, we have 2 rectangles. There's 90 degrees on all 4 angles on these 2. We have a rhombus, parallelogram, and a rhombus, trapezoid, another form of a rhombus, and another rhombus. All right, that is not a diamond. Remember, a diamond is a rock. Okay, this is a rhombus. And then we have some other relatives. This is not, obviously, all of the other shapes, but we have the pentagon, 5 sides, pentagon, 6 sides, hexagon. We have the octagon, the dodecagon, the decagon. Okay, so 10 sides versus 12 sides. And then there's obviously more, and these are regular polygons, where you can also have an octagon that's an 8-sided shape that looks a lot different than a stop sign. Okay, so I'm going to put this up on the Google Classroom just in case you want to reference it. All right, so here we go. We are going to be designing some tickets. So these are going to be tickets for different rides. All right, and so here we're going to draw a ticket that has to be a quadrilateral. Quad is a 4-sided, right, shape with 4 right angles and 2 pairs of parallel sides. Well, I mean, if you need to go back and reference it, you can, but quadrilaterals, that's these ones. Which ones have 2 sets of parallel sides? Okay, these ones have 2 sets of parallel sides, but which ones have 90-degree angles? Your square and your rectangle, right? So you can create a ticket that's either going to be a square or a rectangle. Okay? Oops. Nice straight lines. All right, so I'm making mine. I'm gonna put the title of that shape. It's a rectangle. And then I'm just gonna design it really quick with my Ferris wheel. And I'm gonna draw my Ferris wheel. Maybe I'll have fireworks coming out of it. There, my Ferris wheel, okay? And then I'll do like a 1 because it's one ride for my Ferris wheel. All right, that's how simple it is. Okay, we're designing tickets. So the next one says, your first roller coaster ticket, that's this one, should be a polygon with only one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel sides, all right? So we come back over to our quadrilaterals and we find which one of these quadrilaterals has only one set of parallel lines. And that would be, the trapezoid. So this ticket that you're drawing has to be in the shape of a trapezoid. Ignore that. Oops. All right. And then maybe I draw a roller coaster. Whoa, that would be a crazy spin. All right, you guys design your tickets however you want. Okay? Oh, and then don't forget to put the name. All right, so put the name. Okay, you have 3 more on this page. When you get to picky ticket designs number 2, you're gonna have some that are not quadrilaterals. These are different. It's gonna have, your bumper car ticket should have 5 sides and 5 angles. All right, so it's gonna have you're gonna draw, and again, you can go pull up your reference sheet if you need to. 5-sided shape is your pentagon. So you're gonna draw a pentagon and then design the ticket. 6 sides. All right, so use your reference if you need to. 8 equal sides. So it's supposed to be a fun activity to work on your geometry. All right, and then don't forget to put the name of the shape. And then the last one. In order to do this page, you have already had to do number 1 and 2. All right, so on number 1 and number 2, you've named the shapes and designed them, right? Well, on number 3, what you're going to do is you're going to write down, it says, now that all your tickets are designed, fill in the blanks on the chart below to show how each of your rides should be classified. In the box underneath each shape, write the name of the ride whose ticket is that shape. All right, so we did the rectangle, right? That was the first one we've done, was the rectangle. So what ride was the rectangle? It was the Ferris wheel. So then you would write in Ferris wheel. Okay, we did the trapezoid. The trapezoid was roller coaster number 1. All right, the trapezoid is not a parallelogram. The trapezoid is a quadrilateral. It does have 4 sides, but it doesn't have parallel lines. So the trapezoid goes there, and then I'm going to put roller coaster number 1. Does that make sense? So you're classifying your polygons. You're saying which one goes where, which ride and shape go in which area of the polygons. Okay? And then when you finish that, you have some true or false questions. Is a rhombus a quadrilateral? Well, is a rhombus part of the quadrilateral family? Yeah, it's under quadrilaterals, right? So you would write true. All right? All right, have fun with this. This is supposed to be creative and fun and exciting, all right? If you need help, please give me a call.